Hi, we're at the Cherry Street Pier at the farmer's market that's open every Saturday from 10 until 2. And we're buying some amazing ingredients from local vendors, and we're gonna go make some cocktails. So basically, when you're sous videing, it's a really good way to get more flavor into your drinks, because it's also a really good way to save time. So if we were just doing a regular fruit infusion, depending on the fruit and the alcohol we're using, it can take anywhere from 24 to 36 hours. And a sous vide, we can get it done in really 2 to 5 hours. The other sort of benefit of a sous vide is it helps to break down the pectin in the fruit, and you release more flavors. If you think about the difference between sort of having a pie and having just fresh fruit, the pie has more flavor because of the heat. And then we actually are using Jim Beam because the syrup that we bought, the girl used Jim Beam for the base. So this way we have one whiskey that's gonna be involved with all of the flavor. And the other thing is we want to let the ingredients shine as much as possible. So when you have really fresh ingredients like this, you actually want to use sometimes a lower end spirit, because that way your ingredients can really be the star of the cocktail. Makes sense? And then all we're gonna do, a sous vide is basically just a water bath. When you're just infusing alcohol, you can just use little mason jars. Ready? And I have experimented with different temperatures. I like doing 140 degrees from anywhere from 2 to 5 hours. I'm gonna put this one in 2. And you actually want to have as much water in here as possible, because as it starts to heat up, the water is going to evaporate. So the sous vide keeps the water at a consistent temperature. So it's just an electric heater that's going to heat the water up. Right now it's 73 degrees. It's going to go all the way up to 140, and then it's going to keep it there until we turn it off.